On behalf of the United States, I offer my warmest wishes to those celebrating Losar. The United States honors the strength and resilience of the Tibetan community here in America, across the Himalayan region, and around the world. We remain committed to standing with Tibetans as they work to preserve their historic, linguistic, religious, and cultural heritage. Tibetans, like all people, have the right to practice their customs and pass them on to future generations. This includes teaching and speaking the Tibetan language, selecting their religious leaders without interference, and freely celebrating holidays and cultural events like Losar. Supporting these human rights is a priority for the United States. Last year, I was honored to meet with a representative of His Holiness the Dalai Lama and other Tibetan leaders in New Delhi. And in December, I designated Undersecretary of State Uzra Zeya as the U.S. Special Coordinator for Tibetan Issues. In this role, Uzra will lead our efforts to advance the human rights of Tibetans and address their humanitarian needs around the world. In this new year, we look forward to continuing our close cooperation with Tibetan leaders on these and other important issues. And this week, we're honored to celebrate Losar with you. Tashi Delek. May the new year be filled with joy and peace.